Ever felt overwhelmed by the chaos of the modern world? Well, listen up. We're diving deep into the mind of an emperor who dealt with way bigger problems than your Monday morning commute. Marcus Aurelius. He ruled Rome, fought wars, and somehow wrote the ultimate self-help manual, Meditations. Ready to unlock the secrets to a bulletproof mind? Let's go. Lesson 1. Control your inner citadel. First up, the Stoic powerhouse, the dichotomy of control. This is the game changer. Aurelius taught us this simple truth. You can only control your own thoughts and actions, nothing else. Not what people say, not the stock market, not the weather. Stop stressing over the external noise. Your power lies within your inner citadel. Focus your energy there. If it's outside your control, you acknowledge it, you accept it, and you move on. Total mind shift. Lesson 2. The impermanence of all things. Next, a little reality check. Everything is fleeting. Think about it. The empires, the trends, even your biggest problems right now, they're all going to pass. Aurelius said, "The universe is change, life is opinion." This isn't doom and gloom, it's liberation. When you realize the good times won't last forever, you appreciate them more. When you realize the bad times won't last, you endure them better. It shrinks your ego and boosts your perspective. Get to work, because your time is limited, and so is this moment. Lesson 3. Live in accordance with nature, your own and universal. Lesson 3 is about finding your true purpose. For Aurelius, living in accordance with nature meant two things. First, acting rationally and justly, because as humans, that's what we're built for. We are social, rational beings. Second, accepting the universal flow of things. Don't fight the fundamental laws of the cosmos. Don't be a selfish jerk. Be a good citizen of the world. Do your duty, help your community, and use your reason to navigate life. Simple, powerful, effective. Lesson 4. The practice of premeditation of adversity, Premeditatio Malorum. Here's a mind hack for mental toughness. Preload the bad stuff. It's called Premeditatio Malorum. It's not pessimism, it's preparation. Before a big meeting, a tough workout, or a hard conversation, mentally walk through all the things that could go wrong. The meeting fails, the client says no, the workout is miserable. Why? Because when it does happen, you're not shocked. You've already prepared your rational response. You lose the element of surprise, and you become instantly resilient. Lesson 5. We are made for cooperation. Finally, a lesson we all need. You are part of a greater whole. Aurelius compared humanity to limbs on a body. The foot and the hand are designed to work together. Hating your neighbor or acting selfishly is like the hand trying to sever itself from the body. It's unnatural and destructive. He urged us to remember our connection and act for the benefit of all. Your personal success means nothing if it's at the expense of others. We thrive together. So, there you have it. 5 timeless lessons from one of history's greatest minds. Which of these 5 is the one you're going to start applying today? What is the one thing in your life right now that is completely outside of your control? Let us know in the comments. Hey, if you stuck around, you deserve this bonus lesson. Marcus Aurelius taught himself a simple morning ritual. Wake up and remind yourself of the difficult people you will meet today. The ingrate, the arrogant, the uncooperative. He did this not to dread the day, but to inoculate himself against their negativity. He realized they act this way because they don't know any better. Treat them with tolerance because they are fellow human beings. It's the ultimate key to daily peace. Use that and go crush your week.